Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: CCS installed, target board powered, and drivers recognized. Create a new project and pick your device family so the toolchain matches the hardware. Once done, choose the compiler and runtime options. This ensures linker scripts and libraries are correct. Make sure to select the right connection type, JTAG or XDS, so you can debug immediately. These first actions get the environment aligned. You now bring code into the project and configure the build. Import source files or add new C/C++ files, then adjust include paths and preprocessor defines so headers resolve correctly. Once configured, set optimization and debug levels to balance speed and visibility. Build the project and watch the console for errors. Read the first error, resolve it in the source, and rebuild. This iterative cycle quickly clarifies configuration problems and leads to a successful binary. You finish by loading the program to the board and starting a debug session. Connect the debugger, flash the binary, and set a couple of breakpoints at key routines so you can observe flow. Use step, run, and watches to confirm variables and peripheral states. This shows why code behaves a certain way. If things go wrong, stop, verify your cable and board power, then reset the target and try again. Often the simplest fixes restore connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.